So this is the entrance to the floating market. It's 200 baht per person. So obviously for a family of 4 like us, that was 800 baht. You can pay 800 baht per person and have a boat ride, but because it's raining, we decided not to do that one. And it's also 4 times the amount. So as the name suggests, this is a market and it is on water, but not your normal floating market where it's all on boats and things like that. There is boat rides here, but this is more like a wooden structure built on a lake, if that makes sense. And you can pretty much buy anything. You knock off stuff as well. So like I say, this floor is literally just wood. So it's a wooden structure. That's the boat rides you can take. And yeah, that's another storm. All of your tourist stuff. It's obviously very, very touristy here. So the prices are a little bit higher than what you would find on normal street markets. But I suppose you could probably haggle with them, because you can haggle with everything in Thailand. Carved soap. Well, as you can see in here, we are right in the middle of a big storm. That's what happens in the afternoons in Thailand when it's rainy season. Yeah, this storm's getting slightly worse. That, by the way, is not a water feature. That is rain running off a corrugated iron roof that I'm under. In lightning. Right, yeah. Anywho, the market actually got struck by lightning before, and that was interesting. The ground is actually starting to flood. The gutter is kind of broken. So yeah, we're kind of stuck till the storm finishes. The market's just been struck again. So that was the actual market that we're in getting struck. So I'll give you another little view. I'm not going to cut this clip because it's so fun. But yeah, that was this metal roof here that we're under getting struck. That's why it was so loud and so instant. I just want to show you the water coming off the roof. Yeah, we're not going far until this stops. Oh, the lights are flickering now. Well, it has calmed down a lot, but still chucking it down. I wish I'd kept recording there instead of hitting stop. Whew. All these electrical wires in here. One of the external electrical wires must have been struck with lightning because, yeah, it just went and shorted out against the pole right next to me. As you can see, all of these lights here along there and the other side of the market down there is now in darkness because, like I say, the electric just got struck. Well, the electric wires just got struck and shorted it all out. Yay! It's a pretty good job that rain has eased off, because that's pretty close to coming in. The floating market was nearly a flooded market. Got food down this side. I'm not sure that'll actually take my weight. Yeah, even the boats are nearly on the path. Crocs that aren't actually Crocs, but I suppose they're more Crocs than actual real Crocs. You want to see how high the lake is raised? That's actually the lake water coming through the path. Wow. But look at this. So this is a boxing game. There's nobody doing it at the minute, but there's a pole there and there's a blue side and the red side, and you get boxing gloves and you've got to try and knock each other off into that water. Yeah, no thanks. And here's some recycling at its best. Those fish that's hanging on the bridge, they're actually made out of recycled plastic bottles. So they had a big fire here a few weeks ago, and by the looks of it, it looks to be in here. So you've got the underneath of this rope bridge and the underneath of that tower there, and there's no roof left on the top of that tower, and also the walkway at the back there. More recycling, look. So the bottles being made into jellyfish. So we've got all these little boats which serve different food, and you can sit here at the tables and eat whatever you buy off the boats, and it's cooked fresh in front of you. My worry is do they use that water though? All this food is making me hungry. It smells lovely. This is so much bigger than I expected it to be. That's what she said. So this is the water that the floating market is supposed to be floating above. We're floating in the market now, in the water, sorry. Yeah, the path's pretty much in the water now. It's that wet, even the carp are swimming up the road. So earlier on during the storm, and we heard a huge crack of thunder at the same time as the lightning, we were told that the market had been struck, and I think it's going to have been either the top of that or the top of that over there, because they do have lightning conductors on the top of them. Didn't fucking wait. So yeah, that was Pattaya floating market, and this is Pattaya floating cars. Anywho, on that one, I need to try and figure out how I can get back to where we're staying, Gordon's house, in this. Yeah. I wonder if they'll loan me one of the boats from out there. See you all on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.